In this video, we're going to be talking about 8 iPhone automations you will actually use. So let's just get straight into the video without wasting any more time. So let me just go ahead and open the Shortcuts application. The first automation we're going to be talking about is going to be custom alarm actions. So did you know you could actually go ahead and whenever your alarm sets off, you can make your phone say something or even play a music. So in order to do that, click on automation, click on new automation, click on alarm, and then click on when it goes off, and then click on any alarm and then run immediately. Now, simply go ahead and click on next. Now, all you need to do is click on play music. Simply go ahead and select music from your library right over here. Or you could also make it say a text, for example, and just write it right over here. So that was number one. Let's go to number two. We're going to be talking about location-based wallpapers. You know, sometimes you might want to go ahead and change your wallpaper based on the location you are on. All you need to do is click on automation, click on new automation, and then scroll all the way down until you find location, or you could just search for your location right over here. Or you could simply go ahead and mark it to arrive or leave. So for example, if you're on a location, you can choose whichever location you are on right over here. Let's just say, for example, current location, and then I'm going to tick mark right here and then run immediately. Click on next. And when I'm on this exact location, then I can simply go ahead and search for wallpaper right over here. Or click on new automation first and then click on wallpaper here. And as you can see, I can click on switch between wallpapers, tap on the wallpaper tab, and it will just simply go ahead and switch to whatever I want, just like that. Now, we're going to be talking about the third automation, which is going to be your battery notification. So for example, let's just say you want to know that your battery is in certain amount of charge when it is charging, and you don't want to just go ahead and look at your battery. All you need to do is click on the plus icon and then scroll all the way down until you go ahead and find your battery level right over here, and you can select whichever battery percent. So for example, 80%, or I'm going to do 75%, and then click on run immediately and click on next. Now all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on speak text, and you can simply write battery is 75% or so on. That is another one. So we're going to be looking at another one, which is going to be app launch with Bluetooth CarPlay. So you can automatically open a preferred application when connecting to a specific Bluetooth device, and that could be very helpful when you're on a car. So for example, you click on plus, and then you can simply go ahead and click on app right over here, and then is opened. Or you could simply go ahead and head into Bluetooth first. So for example, is connected. And then you can also choose device, whichever device it is connected to. Click on run immediately and click on next. So for example, if it is here, then all I need to do is simply go ahead and click on open app and then search for, let's just say, play music. There you go. It is as simple as that. Now let's talk about app-specific volume. So you could also set the media or ringtone volume to a specific percentage whenever you open a particular application. So all you need to do is scroll down and click on app when is opened and click on run immediately. Click on next. You can simply choose the application, whichever you want. So for example, if you play music with Brave, click on next. And then what you want to do is simply go ahead and click on create new automation. And then simply go ahead and search for the set volume right over here and then put it to whatever you want. So that is another one. We can do the exact same thing, but we can also make app specific orientation locks. So for example, if we go ahead and click on set orientation lock, and then you can toggle it or turn it on or turn it off just like that. And also you can do the same thing with app specific dark mode. So if you want a dark mode on certain applications, you can simply go ahead and click on or search or set light or dark mode, and then you can simply go ahead and select light or dark. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarified or helped you in many ways if possible. If it did, hit that like button, and if you have any more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.